Hello, welcome to Kimono de Cook Japan. Today I'm going to make Tonjiru. This is today's menu: Tonjiru, grilled salmon, white rice. Tonjiru is the miso soup with sliced pork and lots of vegetables in it. Okay, let's start cooking. I'm going to use some leeks, burdocks, carrots, bamboo shoot, lotus, and shimeji mushroom, and this is called satoimo. It's sort of potato, and some meat. Today I'm using this sliced pork, but you can use any kind of meat as you like. Okay. Wash those vegetables well. Peel the skin off from satoimo. Be careful when you cut it since it's slippery. I didn't peel the burdock skin off today because I like the flavor of the skin. Cut some carrots. This is bamboo shoot. And this is lotus root. Cut those leeks into pieces. Cut off the stem of this shimeji mushrooms. These are sliced pork. Cut them into pieces as well. Heat the sesame oil in a pot. Start stir frying from the meat. Add the carrots and burdocks and the lotus roots and keep stir frying. Add the bamboo shoots, satoimo, and add shimeji mushrooms. I put the leeks after I use miso. After stir frying about 5 minutes, put about 3 to 4 cups of cold water and cover with the lid and bring it to boil. When it starts boiling, try to get rid of the bubbles, or we call aku. Cover with the lid again and simmer. His name is Homie. He loves to climb on my back. Okay, let's bring it to boil until vegetables get softer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so let's wait. While I wait, let's cook some rice. Rinse the rice and put it in the pot. I used 360 cc of rice this time. Add 2 cups of water. Although I use cup to measure, I also measure with my fingers. For me, as a guideline, I measure with 2/3 of the first joint of my middle finger. It's my mom's methods of measuring when they didn't have a measuring cup. Soak for about 20 to 60 minutes. Bring it to boil. Cook for about 15 minutes with low heat. Put the lid on and let it stand for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's see how the soup is done. Looks good. Pick up one of the vegetables and stick with chopsticks to see how soft it is. Okay, I think they're soft enough, so let's add miso here. Taste some soup and see how you like it. Okay, it's done. Yummy. Grill the salmon. When I grill the fish on a frying pan, I use the oven paper so the fish won't stick to the pan, and also easier to flip it. Let the rice steam for 10 minutes after being cooked. Steamed rice is ready. Okay, so this is Tonjiru. This is Tonjiru, salmon, and of course the white rice. This Tonjiru has lots of nutritious ingredients such as vitamins, fiber, mineral, and also protein. So it's got perfect meal itself. So enjoy. Bon appetit. いただきます。いただきます。We always says いただきます before starting meal. That means thank you for the precious food. The proper way to eat Japanese food is to rotate the dishes. We start with the soup. Have a taste of the soup, and then we eat rice. And after we eat rice, we have a bite of main dish and so on. So that you can enjoy the taste of each dish. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.